Are you a creator on Facebook? You have accounts or pages you want to deactivate or delete them or temporarily unpublish them. I'm going to be sharing with you in 1 minute on how to actually do that as a creator. Now, in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe buttons, okay? Now, let me share my screen to show you how to do this. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to locate the account you want to deactivate, okay? So come to your Facebook menu just like this. Click on that Docker so that it's going to pop up in order for you to choose the account you want to deactivate. So I'm going to be choosing this Tunde episode, okay? I'm choosing that Tunde episode. And this, make sure it is the account. Be sure that's the account you are switching to. Then you come to the menu again, all right? Then you're going to scroll down and then you're going to see where they wrote settings and privacy, okay? Now, in this settings and privacy, click on it and then go ahead and click on settings. Now, when you click on settings, you're going to go down where you will see access and control, okay? Now, go ahead and click on access and control and it's going to open to a place you can pick an option. For example, to deactivate this page, this is what you need to know. Deactivation means temporarily, which means this page will be disabled and its name and photos will be removed from most things it's shared. Again, you can reactivate this page at any time. So, which means it is temporarily. What about unpublished page? This is also temporary. Only you and the people who manage today's episode will be able to see and edit this page. Okay. Now, what about delete page? Now, this is permanent. Delete is permanent. You won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook as this page. Now, your messenger and all your messages will also be deleted. So, out of this option now, you can see there are 3 options here, depending on what you want. Like me now, I'm going to be choosing the first option, which is deactivate page. The reason why I'm going to be choosing deactivate page is because I will want to reactivate this page in the nearest future, okay? I don't want to permanently delete it. I just want to deactivate it for now, all right? So if your own is to permanently delete, you can go ahead and delete. But me is to temporarily deactivate. So after I've choose the first option, then I will go down where you see the root continue. Then you go ahead and click on continue. Now, in this continue, Facebook will now ask you, why are you trying to delete your page or why are you trying to deactivate your page? They are telling you to tell them why. So like me, I'm going to tell them that this is temporary because I will be back. Okay, I'm just trying to deactivate for now. Maybe I don't want people to see the page. I'm just trying to keep it safe. Then later I will come and reactivate it. Then I will go ahead and click on continue. Now it's going to bring you here. And you can see they say automatically reactivate this page in 7 days. I'm not going to allow that to happen in 7 days. Reason because I want to keep this page to as long as I want. So I'm going to say don't reactivate automatically. Okay, I'm going to say don't reactivate automatically. Reason is because maybe after 1 year or 2 years, I can come back to the page and then reactivate it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on continue. All right, I'll go ahead and click on continue, and then you can go ahead to download your information before you deactivate. Okay, then you go ahead and click on continue. So this is how you do this on Facebook. Either you are deactivating, you are deleting, or you are unpublishing. So this is how you go about it on Facebook. Remember, if you have 2 accounts and you want to keep one safe, maybe you don't want people to report it, you don't want people to do anything to it, or you don't want anybody to see it, you can go ahead and deactivate it, and then you can easily reactivate. In short, even if it is after 5 years, you can still come back and reactivate it and then make use of it. Because as time goes on, the reason why you might choose deactivation is because you might need pages in the nearest future, and Facebook might not allow you to create a new one. So if you permanently delete it, you will not have access to reactivate it. So that's the reason why I would advise, if you're choosing, you can choose unpublish, which is temporary, or deactivation, which is temporary. And before you do this, go ahead and make sure you download your information. Why you are downloading your information is because in the nearest future, you don't want to lose anything, or you don't want to lose any information. All right, so in case you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I actually create content on editing, Facebook tips, and YouTube tips. All right, thank you.